in your vision, is more important, people or the topics?
So we did sort of a 5 to 10 year strategic plan, and we in fact did lay out topics. But that doesn't mean that we have confined ourselves that we absolutely have to follow that. It just primes us that should the right person come along in that field, we would notice, we would recognize it. So I see the topics as guiding us in that way, but we never want to be fixed to that. And so getting back to people, in the long term, I think it's people, really, because you know, we think 10 years this will be an important topic, but you never know, and it's the people that matters. You got to hire the right people, and that's the key for a good department. People who are fundamentally creative, very good at what they do, have a true passion for what they do, but also might be curious and versatile enough to change and themselves, to recognize that they may be an expert on this topic, but you know, 5 years from now that topic might, you're done with it. Now you got to change and adapt, and those are the people we want, the people that can adapt. And I think progress in science is partly a social thing too. I would say I could never claim, you know, I've had lots of ideas, but I would never claim that these ideas came out from a vacuum, that I'm just sitting at home in the shower and boom, eureka. It came from inspiration, probably talking to different people, and you remember, you put it in the back of your head. In the end, people are the most important, but also the most unpredictable, because you don't know where they're going to go. But unpredictability is a fun thing if you embrace it, because it'll take you to places that you weren't prepared to go, but that may be the right place to go.